host, Bian Love Lux, and I love to talk about lifestyle, fashion, and of course, luxury. I always do like shopping vlogs, unboxing videos, giving you reviews, and I really love handbags. So if you love this kind of content, consider being my friend, subscribe into my channel, and of course, leave me a thumbs up, guys. So we have another Louis Vuitton handbag unboxing. So by the way, this is not really a new bag. This is only a replacement of my BUCI handbag. So you remember the handbag that I just last unboxed with you. So that one is defective. I really see the handbag that is really crooked. The flap is uneven. So if it's like only a small difference, it's okay. I just don't return the bag because I sent a message to my SA and she said like all the handbags are sold out, so they cannot replace the bag. But instead, since I have a 30-day return, so I can return the handbag, but I cannot refund it. So I need to choose a different handbag to replace the bag. So yeah, so I need to return that one. So if you ask me with my opinion with the BUCI, I really love the handbag, but the only reason that I need to return it because it's defective, guys, and it's it's really crooked. So without further ado, we're gonna do an unboxing video again. So it's take two, guys. So this bag, I really love it. I've been it's been already in my shopping vlog before. I tried this one several times, but I really wanted a different color. But actually, practicality wise, I'm thinking it's not so practical to get that color, the pink color. So let's open the bag. So I have here the receipt. So let's set aside that one. And the dust bag. So I have here the Lakme Tender. It's called Lakme Tender in brown color. So by the way, the Lakme Tender is like a tricolor bag. So this one comes into like different colors. You have the black one, you have the pink, you have like a cream, and this color, guys. So I think this one just released this spring summer collection for 2022, and the color is really pretty. Because it's like a beautiful brown. It's a perfect brown, no undertone. Yeah, it's really nice, guys, because the BUCI is like a little bit with orange and yellow undertone, but this one is a real brown. So that is how it looks like. So you have a gold hardware, so it is still have the plastic, guys. So we need to take it off together. So I need to take it off, that one, because I want to use this one today. So I'm so excited to use this one today. So yeah, so gold hardware, and then you have the flap here, and then here it is how it looks like in the front, in the side, and then here in the back, the side, and then in the bottom it looks like this. No metal fit at all. And then you just have like two D-rings here on the side in gold hardware. And then when you open the bag, inside you have a very beautiful like brown color microfiber lining, and here you have like a pocket here, and here you can see more of the cream color, guys, light cream color. You can see more, and it's a substantial pocket. And here you have the strap. So the strap is in black, and then it's double-sided, and the other side is in cream, the same color as this one. So here also you have a pocket here, microfiber lining, and the bonus is like you also have a strap. So let's gonna talk that one later on each by one. So the interior is like this. So you have here Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Actually, this is made in France, which is I'm very happy. I always like my handbag to be made in France. And here you have yeah, it's all like that. So the size and the dimension of this bag, yeah, it's 19 cm across, guys. And then the height, if you do like this here on the side, from here to here, it's about 12 cm. But actually, because since this one have a space here, so you can still put inside, so you can also stretch like this. So it's like about 14 cm, like that way. And then the thickness here, from the main compartment, it's about 6.5 cm from the compartment. But if we extend here in this side, it's about 9 cm. The strap is really versatile because it is like, in a beautiful calfskin leather, this one in black, and then on the other side you have the cream color. So this cream color really perfectly match my pochette métis in cream. So like, I can use this strap for the pochette métis. And other like cream handbag, the same color as this one, I can use this strap. And then the black side, I can use this one for my Speedy 20, which is the black imprint leather. It's so perfect for that because the Speedy 20 strap is a little bit thinner. So like for the long day that you're wearing, you can really feel like, a little pain. But if you use this strap, it's more looks like more balanced and more casual, and I think the look is so perfect for the Speedy. And of course, like, you can also use this strap for other handbags that you have, anything black also. This is so perfect with gold hardware. So and what I really love about this strap as well is because like, you can change 3 lengths, so you can do like, the longest length if you are like a taller lady. But since like, I'm petite, I'm small, I'm gonna do with the middle size length of the bag, and it's so perfect with me. It's so chic, it's so smart to look at, and then at the same time it's gonna be casual. It's gonna be like a day to night bag. And then like the shorter strap is like, so perfect with me also. So another bonus for this Lakme tender is this beautiful strap. I think this is the one that really makes me sold out with the bag. It's another factor that I choose and pick this bag because the chain is so perfect. Look at this. It's big enough to be comfortable, and it's small enough to be like very classy looking. So I'm gonna use this one. So if I want to use the bag for like nighttime and more formal outfit, so I use the chain link. And then I can also use this one with my other handbag, like the pochette pochette métis. I can also use this one for my Felici pochette. This is so perfect for that. And of course, like, with my this pochette accessoire, guys, this is so perfect as well. And I can also use this one for my multi pochette, like, the other bag. So this is so versatile. I can use it with several handbags. Cover it's really great with the strap of this Papillon BB that I have, the Papillon one. It's from the by the Pool collection, guys, and this one is so perfect color with this cream color. So it's so nice. Actually, this is my favorite look of the handbag. It's like, crossbody. It looks so new and fresh and looks so young. So that it's like, and more fun. So I think this is the perfect way that I'm gonna wear this handbag using this strap. So price wise, this is retail for $2,560 US. So I add more because it's more expensive than the BUCI, guys. I think I pay more, 700 more. So I don't mind that because this is also part of my wish list. So let's find out what can fit in this bag. Actually, I already tried. This is like very similar capacity as the Chanel Classic Flap in medium size. So everything that I can fit in my medium size, it can fit in here. So that's all I need. It's a little bit So let's find out. So I have here my wet tissue, alcohol, and of course, it's here. I have here my Zoe wallet, which is like really full. And then of course, like, I have here my Kicklay, a shopping bag, which is like I always bring a reusable shopping bag, and my car key, and of course a bigger cell phone, guys. So a bigger cell phone can really fit in this bag, so no problem at all. What do you think about the handbag? Leave me a comment, guys. How do you feel about the handbag? Do you agree with me that this is a very versatile bag? Thank you so much for the love and support. This is it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course share this video to your friends. Till the next video, guys, watch out, we have more videos to come. Bye.